Australian researchers have developed a drone capable of measuring a person's breathing and heart rate from as far as 60 meters away, an advance that may help during humanitarian crisis. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The researchers led by Joanne Charles from the University of South Australia showed that the drone was able to measure a subject's heartbeat by using a camera to sense a person's head pulsing by approximately 1 millimeter with each beat, reports Xinhua News Agency. Basically, in a disaster, unfortunately, you have to prioritize who's living, who's dead, and even worse, who's dying. And this might allow a drone to map a scene and establish the general condition of people, Charles told the Australian Broadcasting Company. The same software could do facial recognition, measure their heart rate after climbing up some stairs in the subway, and you could do that for 100,000 people a day, Charles said. The drones were created in conjunction with Australian Defence Force to be deployed during humanitarian crisis. However, Charles said that the device could also be used for bad things like spying or weaponization. If we can start doing these things, so can somebody who has a bad agenda, Charles said. Somebody could take their data and do something with it. You could try to sell them something. You could deny them insurance. You could tell their employer, and so on, he added. So that's it for now, and we hope you liked the video. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.